we got 3 little ones. Hi, babies. We've got, is it 2 girls and a boy or 2 boys and a girl?
I think it's 2 boys and a girl. Oh my goodness, guys.
They're so cute. They're so little. We haven't seen little kittens in a while, so they seem really tiny.
You guys exhausted?
Even though they're probably 6 weeks old is what they guessed. And we have a story about them that we will tell you.
One's got freckles on their nose.
That's what I'm wondering, if it's freckles. That one might have a little wound on it, the orange one.
Oh yeah. You guys had a rough day, huh? Oh, babies.
Just got home and the kitties were dewormed yesterday. They get 1 dose of dewormer the first day and then they get 1 9 days later. Look how much bigger that kitty is. Oh, hi. And we have to give, they have lots of fleas, so we have to give them a medicine called Capstar that will kill all the fleas that are on them. Little babies. Look at the little arm stretched out. No? It's like, I don't know you. I have to figure out which one's boys and which one's girls. Okay, should I take them out? Can you believe Son was this little? Hi. Got a little thing on your nosy?
You have a boo-boo on your nose?
Aww. It's like, where am I? I'm not. Aww. Looking for the fleas. They got 1 bath already. So now we're gonna do. They went to the doctor and so far they don't have any sickness.
I'm sure they have them, but they're not, at least they're not. What is
Everywhere?
this, buddy? You got trees still stuck in you from being outside? At least they're not everywhere. So, oh.
You look so cute.
They went to the vet. They've got some dirt in their ears, but it doesn't look like ear mites. It looks like actual dirt.
That's crazy how fast they can get dirt in their ears. Little dirty ears. We'll clean those. You didn't swallow it, I don't think. Nope. There you go.
He's got some injuries.
I know.
Should keep an eye on this, make sure that doesn't get worse and then it's not, mange.
Oh gosh.
But usually that's the tip of their ears. Did you eat it, baby?
Yeah, I saw the little tongue come out.
You got some flea dirt on your face.
Oh, I can feel his bones.
Good job, baby.
I can feel his bones.
I know, he's
like long, like furred, but it's covering, but he gained some weight. Baby. They're not hissing like crazy at us. Not yet. Probably still too scared.
Hi. That's a boy.
Oh.
Hi.
This one actually already has a home. When they took him to the vet this morning, somebody wanted him, so we're fostering him until he goes to his forever home.
You want to go back by your siblings?
Oh,
Go ahead, baby.
They said the big one's feisty.
Hey.
He's got eyeliner.
Yeah, he does. Oh, you're chunk.
Yeah, how does he so much bigger? Did
That's
you
a
eat everybody else's
chunky.
food?
That's a chunky.
Aw. He's a chunk.
He's gonna be pretty.
He's really
Or
pretty.
she. Let's see.
I
Can
think
I
he's,
see?
he's a boy. Probably. Especially if he's so much bigger than the others.
Oh, it's a boy. Hi. Oh my goodness.
He's pretty. Aww.
His heart is beating
He's
like
terrified.
crazy. Look at this. This is
Oh,
cute.
that's cute.
They all have like little boo-boos on them.
Yeah.
Scrapes and stuff.
They had a rough start. Oh, his eyes are still blue, partly.
Eat it.
Cute.
All gone. They're not as hissy as the orange ones that we had. They're scared, but they're not like.
It's nice. He's like, let me go back now.
Is that terrible?
Oh.
They've been moved so much.
They're like, what is this called inside?
You're sitting on your sister. I need that one.
He's protecting her.
Can I get her? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh.
Oh, I see a buggy on you.
Mm.
I see a buggy on you. Hi. Oh my god, look how cute her paw pads are. Can you see that her paw pads are different colors?
Oh no, she's so scared. Oh. And there are little dots on them.
She's got boo-boos on her feet too.
Uh-oh.
What happened to you babies, huh?
Well, we have to tell you guys a story.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do a whole video about her.
Okay,
Oh.
okay. Shh, shh, shh. It's okay. It's okay.
She's like, can you just give me the pill and put me back?
Okay. Can I do it this way? I know. She's got freckles on her nose.
It's really cute.
You're gonna clamp?
Yep.
Open. I kissed you. Look at her cute nosy.
She's like, now you got kitty cooties.
Look at that cute nosy.
Aw. That's really cute. Cute nose.
She's got a little boo-boo on her face too.
Yeah. Uh-oh, she just spit it right back out.
You.
Mommy's having a hard time.
A trick is to also blow in their nose a little bit. Is it terrible? Got some eye boogers too, little baby. You swallow it?
Did she put her tongue out?
Nope. She's holding on to it.
She's the stubborn one already.
See it?
Mm.
Whoop.
There she goes.
Open, Mama. Good girl. I'm sorry. That's to get the boogies off. Can I see your girl? So the little one is a girl with the freckles on her nose, and then the orange one is a boy.
Her eyes are right and changing. Look at the whiskers, so cute. Good baby. They cut their nails already?
Yep.
Awesome. The people who rescued are amazing.
I'm sorry, baby. I know you're scared. Yeah? You want to go back? Why don't you guys go take a nice
Aw.
nap? There you go. Go take a nappy.
We'll see you guys in a bit.